Question 5. What is the meaning of the statement? Resistors in parallel are current dividers, but not potential dividers. Remember, potential and voltage basically mean the same thing. So we could also say, but not voltage dividers. When we have resistors in parallel, we have branches. And those branches split the current. We can say they divide the current. Some of the current goes through one branch and some of it through the other. That's why I main equals I1 plus I2 for a parallel circuit. Another way of saying that equation is that resistors in parallel are current dividers. I stands for current, or current strength. But the voltage across each of the branches is the same. So the voltage is not divided by the branches. The potential is not divided by the branches. In other words, resistors in parallel don't divide, don't split up the voltage. That's why the voltage across branch 1 equals the voltage across branch 2. The branches are not dividing. In other words, the branches are not splitting up the voltage between them. They have the same voltage across them. So that's why we say resistors in parallel are not voltage dividers, or we could say are not potential dividers.